Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
What? Why? I don't know. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Expanse season 6, episode 1. The last season of The Expanse, at least as we know it. I'm wondering, about what we can have after that. I know that that part of the story is gonna end, but it's not totally the end. Like, you guys who are reading the books, you know that better than me. I'm stressed! I don't know why. I watched this morning The Wheel of Time, which is also on Amazon, but which is longer. So that's why I watched it first, to really have the time to watch it, for my schedule. I watched it, and during the intro and during the review, I was like, this afternoon I'm gonna watch The Expanse, it's a return of The Expanse. I was talking about it during The Wheel of Time, saying that I was excited about it return, and now that I'm gonna watch it, I'm stressed. I think that I'm excited to be back with this show, with this universe, with these characters. You know how much I love them, everything. In fact, you were there when I fell in love with this show, with these characters. You were there during my binge watching of the first seasons. You were there when I went to the Comic-Con Paris only for The Expanse, when I met a part of the casting. You were there for the last seasons and all of my tears and everything. So I'm glad that I'm making these videos, so you were with me during all of this journey with The Expanse, and I'm gonna be really, 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 really melancholic at the end of this season, but not now, please not now. But I think that it's because of that I'm stressed about beginning this episode, because in fact it's beginning the last season, and it means a lot for the story, for the characters, for everything that we need to end, to resolve, to do during this season. Why am I pretty sure that we're not gonna resolve everything? I don't know, but it means a lot because of that, but it means a lot also for me, and I think that it's because of that I'm stressed. I'm stressed about what's gonna happen, if we're gonna lose people, more people. I'm afraid of a lot of things. Because also, the trailer of this season, I made a reaction video about it, I'm gonna put the link right there. The trailer of this season reassured me, because we saw all of our guys being a team and going on a mission together, and they looked great, and we had already some funny lines, and we were into the action and all, so that was cool. But at the same time, the trailer was already there to show us that Marco, he began this war, during the last season, but that's it. We're at war, that's it. The war is right now, right there, and people are gonna die, a lot of them on both sides, and it's terrible because you are there since the beginning, so you know that my heart is divided about the Belters and all. The ideas, the fact that they want to be equals, the fact that they want things, to be right for them, they want to be considered and all of that since the beginning. I'm supporting it and I'm rooting for it, and I'm never gonna be able to forget that episode, in which season, I can't remember, which is for me representing what the Belters are, when they sacrificed themselves. When I watched this episode for the first time, I was like, they're never gonna accept to just let some of these people, going into the ship and not them, like they're gonna want to do it, like it's human nature to do like that. And these Belters surprised me because they accepted it, they sacrificed themselves, they were waiting for death with honor and all. Just to think about it, just to talk about it, I can cry again. But because of that, you know, because of that moment, I love the Belters because that moment is really representing for me what the Belters are. My heart is divided about that war because these Belters, they want to fight for all of these reasons that I can agree with, that I can understand, that I can support, but they are following the wrong person for that, they are doing stuff that I can't agree with, they are choosing violence. They were hopeless and Malko, he gave them hope by telling them that he knew how to fight, how to be victorious, you know, at the end, using violence, killing a lot of people like that. I can't agree with that, I can't accept that, and also I'm really divided about them. But that's it, we're at war, and it's awful, and Chris Wrench is gonna have to deal with that. I'm so glad to see her again. You know, when I heard her voice into Arcane, I didn't know that she was making a character into Arcane. Maybe you saw it, I really... you know, I was really like that, like, I know this voice, sure, you're right there, it's so good. And it made me understood even more how much I love this woman. She's the best. It was gonna be so cool to see her again. With all of them, with Draper, her interactions with Draper, maybe also with Amos. That's gonna be so cool. I'm afraid for Drummer this season. I'm always afraid, in fact, for Drummer. Since seasons now. Since we lost Ashford. I'm worried for her, for what she can do. I think that if I have to make a death list, you know, I don't want to do it, but if I have to, she would be one of my first suspects, you know, like... Okay, stop thinking about that. We are at war. On one side of the story, we're gonna have the war, everything like that, Drummer, but also Chris Wren. What? Calm yourself. So many things, so many bad things are gonna happen, so many people are gonna die, that's gonna be awful. We're gonna have our guys going on a mission, you know, like the final mission, because they're gonna save everyone, like usually. I don't know what their plan is, but I'm waiting for it, and I'm impatient to discover it. And also we're gonna have the that thing at the end of the trailer, that weird animal thing, that alien form. Who are you? What is happening with you? I'm excited, I'm stressed. I think that it was great to make that intro. I'm feeling less stressed and more excited. Because I'm more focused on the story than on the show, you know, what it means for the show, what it means for me, and all of that. I'm more into the story already because I remembered all of that can happen during this season. It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now. Like usually, if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier during the day for The Expanse, and with an extended or full action part. I remember that for the last season of The Expanse, I put the full action part a lot, and extended reaction part that were a lot longer, because with this show I'm reacting a lot. It's like that, I love it so much, it's really right there. It's the best way to support me. If you can't join me on Patreon, you can still subscribe, like, comment. It's also helping me, you know, with my channel to grow, but it's really, yes, better to support me on my Patreon if you can. And that's it. Last season of The Expanse. Just give me some seconds, I need to... That's gonna be great. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of being disappointed. I'm not afraid of what they're gonna prepare. A lot of bad things are gonna happen. Maybe people that I love are gonna die. But even knowing that, I'm not afraid. It's how much I trust these writers, it's how much I trust this casting, it's how much I trust the quality of this show. I know that I'm not gonna be disappointed. I don't have a lot of shows, you know, that I watched that I love so much and in which I put my trust so much. Let's go. I'm excited again. A kid. I'm a kid. We are beginning the season with... we ended the trailer.
Summer. Some babies.
What are all of these things?
It's okay. It's okay. You can come out. I'm friendly. See?
You are the little version of what we saw in the trailer. A rock jumper?
It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
I'm lost. Wow, wow. A lot of green like. What? Did we know that one of these planets had lives like that on it? Like, I missed that opening credit. Oh fuck. I have the impression that I'm gonna be like that during all of these episodes, you know, being like that. We know. Survivors of Palace of Revenge. Rocinante joins the fight. Refugees.
Now urges know what it feels like to be built up.
To be refugees without your own home, people that you loved being killed. Are you feeling... You're not gonna feel better.
Destroyed the 3 incoming rocks. I used to like shooting stars.
I never did.
Oh, I missed you girls.
Total casualties under 500.
Don't try to make it sound like a success.
Knocked down nearly every rock Marco Ramirez has stored us for the last 6 months. 200 individual strikes.
During all of these months, is
Why make
continuing.
things? Repurposing our atmospheric CO2 scrubbers isn't working. Not well enough. Meteoric contaminants are still rising.
It's gonna have consequences on the atmosphere and...
Every rock kills us a little more, even when they miss. I gave this piece.
I didn't think of that, but it's how much these writers are good and clever to think about it. Come on guys, you're having fun. Don't lie. I didn't understand that you were fighting against people. I thought that it was a mission to destroy the rocks, so no, you're not having fun.
Well, here's that confirms there are free Navy activity in this area.
Mm.
Do you think I could convince Chrissy to pay us for every one of these assholes we take out? I'd like to see you try. I'm serious.
Immense.
We're not mercenaries. We're not soldiers either. I'm gonna take us in for a closer look.
No, we should keep our distance.
All of you, you seem tired by the situation. Don't make me cry. I didn't prepare myself to cry today, you know.
I don't think that is a ship.
It's
It's a
what?
drive.
Or doing what? To push it in a certain direction? I'm serious. Oh, it's weird to be back in Ceres. Kid? Okay. I know he's not a kid, I shouldn't be surprised. It's more like, you know, I'm feeling like I'm his aunt and I don't want to see that.
Yes, which gives us a perfect opportunity to build up our own supplies. With a combination of hydroponics and live soil farming, we should be able to increase food production on Ceres.
And Fred Johnson is dead. Both of them and all their failures swept away.
Your head is gonna explode, Marco.
Nikos Andrani, Station Chief Administrator, my son, Philip.
It's a pleasure.
Did I miss much? as much as usual.
I like the fact that you're not interested by what is happening right there. Philip, I prefer that for you. He was before, so it means that something changed. Naomi
We've
coming.
had a few scattered reports, but none of them panned out. We have up the bounty.
More money? Is that the best you can do? Increase the bounty on Jama 20%. And of course, latte as well.
You're not gonna have them. Philip, I have up.
Hey, make your meeting with the boss man. Huh? What's up, this? Alligator skin. You like? An animal. Huh, it's very expensive. Synthetic has to be. Shame, what do you know, huh? Bird is dying. We kill it, it's not coming rich.
I like that you have a friend.
Tell them we can arrange for a toy to have.
A kid, you're really a kid.
I have always considered this station to be a home. To me and to every other Delta. The Enos may have thought it was theirs, but it was always ours. Ceres will be the capital city of our Belter nation. A place all Belters can be proud of.
You believe in what you're saying, but something changed, you know? It's less powerful, you know, the intensity of his voice and all. You still believe into it, but you're less into it. Do you understand what I mean? Like, it was more like, I have to make a speech, I'm gonna do it. Emma? She's gonna be the one to kill Marco. I don't want Naomi to do that.
There is a short, not yet. It's a direct fire weapon. Yeah, trust me, line up perfectly.
That's my Trevor.
My signal. Now. What did you do?
Ooh. Girl. It was not your fault, was it?
No, but so we got him.
What happened?
Which brings our missile load to a grand total of 3.
At least we killed him.
Arden, I want to tell you to be careful, but I know you, my dear. I know you can't.
Simple, quick, and
Oh, we can see his reflection, you know, like into a mirror,
if they were willing to waste an
into his thing. Oh, it was well done.
We have to figure out how they're being triggered. We can stop even a few of them before they're lost to being accomplished.
I just realized this is the first time I've flown Mercy.
Don't.
First time I ever had to.
Don't.
I know what that feels like.
It's nice thoughts, you know, for Alex. And without naming him, which is great, you know, because of what happened right there, I'm not gonna come back to it. It's nice, you know, because for the characters, it's important.